Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the basic things about a multimeter. It's very informative video, so watch till the end, okay? Only a small video. So here I put a multimeter, okay? So we have two wires for multimeter. One is black, other is red, okay? And you can see here we have four holes given here. One is common with black color and another is red color, here written V ohm, and another red color is A ampere, another red color is 10 ampere. Okay, you know, this is for V for voltage, A for current, this is also for current. Okay, then we should start first. We have this black pin always connected to the common. Okay, so I am connecting it in common. Okay, so connected. Then this red color pin we can connect in these three options. According to your purpose, this you should connect this one. Okay, if you need to check the voltage, then you can fix this red pin to this hole. Okay, if you need to measure the current, then you can fix this pin to 10 ampere, because this only A written here, because here 2 ampere maximum is supporting. Okay, if the current is coming above 2 ampere, it will damage this one. So for safety you can put this one. For measuring current, always connect this one to 10 ampere hose. Okay, so first, if you need to check the voltage, first you need to connect the black wire to the common pin and the red wire to this voltage pin. Okay, if you need to measure the resistance, this is the pin also you should connect. Okay, we can measure voltage and resistance also in this pin. Then after connecting these two pins, then you on the power button. So you can see here one. Then you want to make this pin like this. Okay, you can see here written ohm, 200, 2k, 20k, like that. Okay, then you can see here voltage. This is direct voltage, direct. Okay, this is AC voltage. Okay, then here you can see this is for checking continuity, and you can see here ampere for AC. You can see here also ampere for DC. Okay, here given for all the measurements the values like 200, 2k, like that. Okay, here also 200 m and 220, 200, like that. So we can put according to that how much quantity of current or voltage you want to measure, then you can put the limit here. Okay, so first I am putting this one to the continuity check. Okay, I put this on the continuity. You can see the arrow mark here for to continuity. Then I am connecting the two wires of the multimeter, the black and red. Okay, I am connecting this one. Then you can see a beep sound. Okay, you can see the beep sound because these two wires are okay. This continuity is okay. If you need to check the continuity of a single wire or anything, you can put the one end of the wire this connect this pin, and another end of the wire this pin. Okay, connect these two pins at the end of the wires. Then you can hear a beep sound here. Then you can conclude that the wire is okay, the continuity is okay. If no beep sound is coming, the wire has a damage or disconnections in any sections. Okay, you can check like that. Then if you need to check the voltage, same this way. Okay, if you need to check the voltage of a wire, so first you need to give for this wire a negative charge. Okay, then you can put this red wire to what the wire you should check the current voltage. Okay, this wire connect to that wire you want to check the current or voltage. Then this one you should fix with a negative charge or an earth. Okay, you can connect this to any earth connection. Then you should put this one you want to change. Okay, if you need to check the voltage, you want to fix this one to the voltage position. You can see here voltage. Normal the voltage is we are putting in 20 limit. Okay, because normally we are getting like below 20 volt, so we are putting this 20 limit. If you need to check high voltage, then you want to increase this limit. Okay, here is also 200, 1000, and you should know, you should be careful that if you are rotating this one, always you rotate this one in clockwise direction. Okay, it's for safety, it is good. Only rotate this one only clockwise direction. Okay, then you put the voltage in 20. Then you can check the voltage also. Then if you want to check the current, change this one and put the pin in 10 ampere connection. Then you can change this one also. Okay, you should change this one to current. Rotate this one, rotate this one, rotate this one, and we can see here current 10 limit to 200 mm, like that. You can fix which limit you want, then fix there. Okay, so I think guys you understood this one. This is only a basic of the multimeter. If you have any comments, doubts, you can comment below my comment box. Okay, then thank you for watching guys. I will come soon with another video. Thank you.